Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to archive emails and retrieve archived emails in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. If you want to clean up your inbox without deleting your emails, you can archive or mute them. Your emails are moved to a label called All Mails. When you archive a message, the message will come back to your inbox when someone replies to it. Now I am going to show you how to archive and also retrieve the emails in Gmail. Go to your Gmail account and in inbox, you can select any primary email or your promotions or your social emails, anything. Just click on an email and look here, you will find a button called archive. Click on archive. Look, the email has been moved to archived and you will not find your email in inbox after archiving. You can archive also from promotions and you can archive lot of emails in one click. Just select all and now click move to or click archive. Click on archive. Look, all emails are archived. Now I'm going to show you how to find archived emails. Look, here there is no option to access to archived email. Look, the category. There is no option for archive emails. You can find your archive emails when you click all mails. Look, all archived mails, inbox mails, draft mails, everything you will find in all mails. This is the one way, and I'm going to show you another way to find the archived mails only. In search mail, type in clone archive in an archive. Then now hit enter. Look, here you will find only your archived mails. Now I'm going to show you how to move archived mails to your inbox. Okay, now select a mail and click on move to and just type inbox. Look, the mail has been moved. Now go to inbox. Look, the mail has been moved to inbox. Now again, go to archive. If you want to move all mails to your inbox, just click on select all and click on move to and click on inbox. 6 conversations move to inbox. Now go to inbox. Look, all mails came back to inbox. In this way, you can create archive or you can retrieve from the archive. This is very easy way. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.